safety in here, okay?
Okay.
Do you have our tickets?
Yes. Okay. Oh, sarap kapituhin. Charot. Where's the piranha? Can you try to soak your hand here? Then we will know if that's piranha or not.
Why don't you try it?
Maybe that one is the piranha. Yeah. I think that one. It's so big. Maubos nila tayo in one bite. Whoa. Or this piranha.
Throughout your journey and to practice social distancing at all times.
Oh guys, this is a bat cave. We're inside a bat cave. And they're just flying around. Oh my god. That's so huh? Siyempre pa, may pictorial. Oh my god, it's the tree of life. But it's like that. Hey guys, we're inside the green planet. It's jam-packed right now. Maybe because it's holiday. So, yeah, but it's nice, especially for the kids. I think it's educational as well because they will see a lot of animals and birds. So they will learn from this experience. So yeah, come here. We paid 75 dirhams. I'll share the link down below, but yeah, it's normally around 125 dirhams. Anong meron doon? There are birds in here. She's busy eating. They're eating right now. Hello. They're eating fruits. Hello. Parang nakagel lang yung buhok niyo ah. Parang nakagel Ganyan lang yung buhok nila, no? Anong pamada yung ginamit niyo dyan, ha? Birdie. Tatayo yung kanyang hair. So here, guys, you'll start from the top floor, which is 4th floor. And then from the 4th floor, you'll experience the bat cave. And then this tree where you'll find a lot of birds, like different kinds of birds. And there's toucans here. He's busy biting the metal. It's not toucan. Ah, no, it's not toucan nga. It's I don't know if it's kind of parrot. Yeah, it looks like a parrot. Hello. Hello. Dead na siya. He's so busy. Why are you trying to eat that thing? He's so busy, guys. So, huwag daw tayong epal. There. So, there's a hanging bridge over there. So, that's the 4th floor, guys. So, you're gonna go down like it's a spiral going down, and while going down you will like encounter a lot of animals, especially birds. So there are parrots, toucans. So yeah. There's a thunderstorm. I-try nyo mag-Pilipinas, diba kay magpanggunit dyan ka. Kay ang kilat o dyan ko lang magunay. So, it's a thunderstorm. I don't know, but there's like, it's like a moist or mist. I'm not sure if it's even a smoke, but it looks like a mist. And plus the sound, like a thunder sound. So, if you can see, it's coming from the ceiling. There's a koala. Ooh. Hello. Nangat-ngat siya. They're so busy. Sabi niya, ano ba? May thunderstorm. like this. Tapos guys, merong butike. Sa amin, pag tingala mo, meron ng butike. Hindi pa kinakahon. Ayan pa, another butike. Sa bahay marami na yun. No need to pay.
Yun o, dito o.
Diba, butike.
Nak yung
Wow! They're so pretty. Ganda-ganda ng kulay. Ito na yung pinaka-hate ko na animal in the world. I'm sorry, I hate it kasi takot ako. That's why. Oh guys, it's like raining, you know. Oh, there's a river. So guys, dahil kaka-storm lang daw, everything is like dripping. The water is dripping. And the plants are wet. Since they have this thunderstorm effect. Oh, ang daming banana. Doon sa probinsya namin, maraming banana. Oh, I remember this plant from my childhood. See, guys, may nilang. Sa house nila, meron silang ganito. So, we're already at the ground floor. And that's the top floor. Okay guys, we're at the ground floor already. We're almost done.
Sana 50 or ano lang yung ano nila dito, no? Spot na sa kanyang spotlight.
Wow, chill. Chill. Nagna-Netflix and chill siya. Sabi nga, huwag na kayo magulo. Netflix and chill ako. Ano ba kayo? Ayun yung mga birds niya guys. Oh, lumalangoy-langoy. Tapos under, there's like fish. Pero ano ulit? Kaya nga, sabi niya wala akong pakita. So the spotlight is mine. Ayun na nga guys. As I was saying, yung laro po dito sa Green Planet is hanapin mo yung animals. Kasi lahat sila nagko-camouflage sa parang house nila and dun sa mga plants na nilalagay. So, they're like camouflaging. Like this one, nakatago po siya sa bahay niya. Tapos nalaglag yung phone ko sa may piranha. So, never mind na lang po. Baka pagkuha ko, wala na akong kamay. So, ayun na nga. I suggest, wag niyo tong gawin kung ayaw nyo baka ma-distract yung phone niyo. Okay? Those are piranha. By the way po, hiring po sila ng cleaner ng tank. Bababa ka po dyan kasama ng mga piranha. So, ayun, kung gusto mo dyan na, ayun, wala kang work, pwede ka naman ditong mag part-time, tagalinis ng tangke. Pero piranha po yan ha. Mababait po sila. Well-trained. Sabi ni Renz, binunutan daw ng ipin. Okay, guys, we have this snorkel with piranha. So, kung ngayon ka, oo, wala na silang ipin, binunot isa-isa. So, safe naman po. So, try nyo to kung gusto nyo. Pero ako, maybe next time. So, there's more. So, akala nyo yun na yun? There's more. It's at the basement though, according to Ate. This is their souvenir shop, so we can buy some souvenirs. gusto niyo ma-remind kayo dun sa mga friendship nyo, yung mga kamag-anak natin dyan, na medyo feeling nyo nakarelate kayo, nakakamukha nyo, pwede naman. Sino kayang kamukha ko dito? Ang cute. Oh my god, there's an animal here, but unfortunately, I think he's dead. So, wala po kaming kinalaman dyan. Hindi kami pumatay, guys, but rip spider. So, guys, ito na, we're going to the basement. There's more animals. Creatures of the night. So let's check it out. There's something smelly. What? Oh my god, there's like a huge sawa over here. Here guys, it's a sawa. Marami din yan sa amin. What's this smell?
There is the urine.
Oh, they're all snake. It's like snake. He just ate. See? Yung stomach niya. Very big. Yeah, I don't like this smell. Kasi there's like kangaroos. They are considered as night creatures. So, hello. Oh, he's jumping. And what animal is this? Oh, bakit parang kamukha niya si yung sa Bohol. Pero bigger size. So these are the night creatures and it's mostly snakes. So big. I'm sorry guys, but I'm so scared of snakes. I'm not really a fan of snake. So there, nakalabas pa yung head niya. Where? Oh, there's a bullfrog over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so big. It's right at the corner of this cage. So it's so huge.
Here, glow in the dark color. So now we have just found the Asian forest scorpion. It glow in the dark. So it doesn't like us because it's
Smart kids. Oh, and another like iguana gecko something. Sang, look at the snake. It's like, I don't know if it's real. It's there in the pail. Inside the pail. There's one in the sink. Imagine if this is your house. Diba? If this is your house, you have all the guests everywhere. There's one in the pail. There's one in the sink. Ala, good luck. Good luck na lang. Party.
Lagyan mo ng mga dapat kung paano puri sila ng
Hi, so cute. And he jumps. Hello. Kangaroo. Is it kangaroo? It is kangaroo. So cute. And this is their souvenir shop. So, gaya ng sabi ko, para ma-remember nyo yung mga friends nating animals. So, you can buy from here. So cute. There's like a zookeeper outfit. Oh, there's also plants. So So they're not selling just goods, but there's also plants here. So here at the basement, normally they will take a photo at the entrance. So if you want to print them out, then you can have them printed out at this side. But you have to pay. I'm not so sure how much. So we're lining up to check our photos. So this is our photos. So outside the Green Planet, there's like this where you can buy some food, drinks. There's like a play area for the kids. So they're open from 10 in the morning until 6 p.m. So
Lobat na yan, lobat.
after 6, I'm so sorry. So guys, that's Rancy Boy. So this is the entire building of the Green Planet. So they're open from 10 in the morning until 6 p.m. The entire trip from the top floor to the basement is probably like an hour, including the photo shoots everywhere. But it's not really that big. Siyempre pa, kailangan ng photoshoot ng mag-asawa. Hindi kami makarelate, wala kaming partner. So, sariling sikap na lang ito. Sariling sikap na lang daw. The view is so nice from here. But guys, it's so hot because it's summer in Dubai. It's August 12, 2021. And time check, it's almost 6 o'clock. But it's so hot.